Advanced Encryption Standard, also called as AES. In last we studied about 3DES, where it has some drawbacks. The algorithm is actually relatively sluggish in software. Whenever you implement the 3DES in software, it's not efficient one. Actually, this 3DES is actually made up of 3DEA or DES, which is designed in the mid of 1970. At that times, the hardware implementation is not good, so the softwares are also not efficient at that time. The main drawback of this DA and 3DS is both are actually a 64-bit block size. Here, whenever you use the 64-bit block size, it's not efficient one because it's a small block size, and second one is it's not protected one. Security point of view, it's not a good one. Second one is, in 3DS we are using 3DEA or DES. Slow 3 times it has to do the same process, so it is slower. To overcome such problems, in 1997 a NIST issued a call for proposal for a new AES. According to their proposal, actually they are not designing the AES, instead of they are providing the proposal. The proposal means throughout the world, whoever the designers are there, the engineers are there, for them they have given some task. They have to design their own algorithm and give it to the NIST as a proposal. Now some condition will be applied on that algorithm. They should have the security strength equal to or better than the 3DES and significantly improve the efficiency. The security level should be at least 3DES, but the efficiency should be more, means execute faster, take less memory. Okay, that they have to implement it. Must be symmetric block cipher with a block length of 128 bit. The block size should be minimum 128 bits and support for a key length of 128, 192 or 256 bits. Evaluation criteria includes security. When this algorithm executes, it has to consider security, computational efficiency, less computational work, memory requirements, it will take less memory, hardware and software suitability, means it will be accepted by almost all the hardware as well as softwares, and flexibility, means easy to port from one area to another one, flexible to use. So these are the criteria they have provided to the as a proposal. Now there are so many different algorithms are developed, designed. The best 15s are selected. Within that best 15, they picked the best 5. In that one, they selected one algorithms called as Rizdal. Okay, this is the algorithm they selected as the AES algorithm. Actually, this algorithm is actually designed by 2 cryptographers from the Belgiums, 2 developers, Dr. John Damon and Dr. Vincent Ridgeman. They take the Ridge and Day from these 2 developers and created Ridge and Dale. Okay, now this is the algorithm used in the AES. In the next, this is about the history. Now in next part, I will explain actually how this algorithm, AES algorithm, works. That explanation will be given in the next slide.